ETC Fun Unlimited को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं और इस घंटे को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे सारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं। Welcome guys to ETC Fun Unlimited, and today being a Sunday, we are preparing something special for you. Yes, today we are making fried chicken in tangy sauce. So let's get started, shall we?
In order to make sauce for chicken, we need 100 grams of Amul butter or any salted butter at room temperature, Tabasco sauce, normal ketchup that we have at home, Szechuan sauce, red chili sauce. Let's make the sauce now. It is exactly at the temperature that we want.
In room temperature.
At room temperature, exactly. It is not melting. Yeah, it's really soft. Generally, I take 100 grams of butter. Keep aside. Add Tabasco. The purpose of adding Tabasco is to add a tangy flavor to the sauce. Ketchup. To make the sauce red and thick. I have 10 pieces of chicken, so I'll make the sauce accordingly without wasting any and utilizing all. Here comes the last red chili sauce. Now we mix it all, or if you don't want to mix it, you can whisk it all. This is the end product. This is how it would look like.
So this is the amount of oil, which is around 250 ml, which we need to deep fry the chicken.
The amount of oil depends upon the size of the chicken that you take. We have not taken leg pieces. We've taken boneless chicken. We have marinated the boneless chicken, and now the marinated chicken is all set.
So do we need to preheat the oil?
Oh yes. We have to go for slow cooking during this time so that the chicken is done properly. If you put it on high flame, the chicken will burn from outside. The nutritional value will be lost.
So it appears the chicken is ready.
Adding fried chicken.
ETC Fun Unlimited को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं और इस घंटे को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे सारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं।